Hello everybody, New Positivity TV. Just wanted to show you guys this video. Please give us thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe. We're out here at the beach. What do you think of these birds just sitting here chilling out on the pole? Look at how beautiful the sun looks. They're just watching the ocean, I guess. Please leave your comments. See how close they let me get to them before they fly off. Appreciate you guys taking time to watch the video. Give us thumbs up. Thank you. Peace, love, happiness. Keep moving forward.